Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix Cash App this transfer failed. Alright, now before I teach you the way, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. The first reason could be that your internet connection is slow, so make sure to check your internet. And the second reason could be that the cash tag you wrote is incorrect or does not exist, so make sure to check if your internet is fast and your cash tag you wrote over there is correct. If it is not your internet and cash tag problem, then what you need to do is close your Cash App and delete your Cash App and reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a bug as well, it causes this problem, so deleting your Cash App and reinstalling it again is also a way to fix it. And the other way to fix this problem is, let's say you're trying to send money to somebody and their account is banned or suspended, then it is also not going to be sent. So make sure to check if the person you're trying to send money is like their account is not suspended or banned. To do that, you can call the owner of the account and check if their account is banned or not. And the other thing could be that like the Cash App server is down right now. If Cash App server is down or under maintenance, you cannot send and receive money during that time as well. It's gonna say this. Or sometimes Cash App server is overcrowded, which means a lot of people is using Cash App at the same time, which causes this problem. So during those time, you need to wait for some time until the server is not overcrowded or their maintenance break is over or their server is fixed. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix your Cash App this transfer failed option. So if you guys found our video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.